So my name's Anne Osbourn and I'm a group leader at the John Innes Centre in Norwich, where I work on understanding how plants make different kinds of chemicals, so the scents, colours, flavours, useful molecules, drugs and so on. My work is important, I think, because we're understanding how plants make the chemistry, the vast treasure trove of chemicals out there that are huge potential sources of drugs, and we want to understand how they do that and harness it for therapeutic purposes. And it's a really exciting time because there are so many plant genome sequences out there. We can start to decode the instruction manual and learn how they make chemistry. I just find science exciting generally. Discovering things, it's always a challenge. You have to work out what to do next. Getting the really exciting results, making a new molecule or understanding how something works. But also when you don't get the results that you expect, trying to work out why, learning from it, and then just regrouping and starting again. So I think the great thing about being trained in science is that you know how to use the scientific process. So you can just deal with things systematically. I think plant biotechnology has a really rosy future. There are so many things happening, so much potential. And of course, it's at a time when now more so than ever, we really know that we have to do things for the future of the planet, for the future of humanity. We have to solve the problem of climate change, of food security, of healthy food, and of ensuring that we've got all the medicines, the drugs that we need to keep people happy and healthy.